Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm finally back with another Zombicide mini. I figured since I've backed the western version that they're bringing out, I figured I need to clear some space, which means Green Horde needs to get finished off now. This week I painted Rocco. He was primed in German Panzer Grey and I started off with gory red for his tunic. As usual, I'm going to be trying to keep these minis as simple as possible, just so that beginners can follow along if need be. If you have any questions or want to suggest video ideas, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join my Discord using the link in the description, where you can share some of the stuff you've been working on and vote on video ideas that are already there. Next up, I used dark flesh tone for the neck armor piece he has on. For the leather parts, such as his shoes and the belt, I grabbed uniform grey. I then based all of the parts that are going to be white with grey matter beige, as white over Panzer Grey would just suck to paint. With all his skin, I used elf skin tone. I quickly grabbed pure red to do his ascot, as it looks lighter than the tunic in the artwork. For the crossbow and blade scabbard, I used werewolf fur. Next up is bone white for the laces, eyes and whatever this thing around his waist is. I figured it could be a spare crossbow string, so I just went with that. To get all the metallics done, I used rough iron. For the hair, facial hair, eyes and the base, I used matte black. Now onto the highlights, starting with gunmetal for all of the metallic parts. The next highlight is ash grey to go over all the edges of the uniform grey. It now came to doing the white parts with matte white. With white being so chalky, I didn't fully cover the areas. I left a lot of that brain matter beige in the recesses just to help soften it up a little bit. The last highlight is blood red for the ascot. Getting started on the washes, I used red tone for all of his tunic. Thinking about this now, I used flesh wash on the mini as well, so I could have just used that instead of red tone. For the white parts, I used light tone, but then took off a lot of it just to stain it slightly and darken down those shadows. Next, I used flesh wash for the skin and crossbow. To finish up, I used dark tone for the grey parts and the end of the crossbow. And that will be it for Rocco. It felt strange doing a Simon mini again, but good to get another one from the collection finished at last. As always, there will be photos of this guy on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you want to show off what you've been working on or just help me decide some video ideas, you can join the Discord using the link in the description. For those of you who just want to hang out and chat while I play games or paint, I stream on Twitch on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.